Hello and welcome to your practice. Thank you for choosing to show up for yourself today. Let's begin in a comfortable seated position, whatever that means for you. You can sit cross-legged, on a cushion, or even on a chair. Allow your hands to rest gently on your knees, palms facing up or down. Close your eyes or soften your gaze toward the floor. Let's start with a deep breath in through the nose, filling your belly, your ribs, your chest. And a long, slow exhale out through the mouth, letting it all go. One more time, inhale deeply, inviting a sense of calm and presence. And exhale, releasing any tension you might be holding. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, flowing in and out without any effort. Just notice it. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nostrils, travels down your throat, and fills your lungs. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly with each cycle of breath. For the next few moments, let's simply be here. If thoughts arise, and they will, just acknowledge them without judgment, and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Your breath is your anchor to this present moment. There's nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. Just this, just now. Bring a gentle awareness to your body. Scan from the crown of your head down to the tips of your toes. Notice any areas of tightness or discomfort. Don't try to change anything. Just notice. Send a little bit of breath, a little bit of kindness, to those areas. Imagine your breath creating space, softening the edges. Let's begin to add some gentle movement. When you're ready, slowly blink your eyes open. On your next inhale, reach your arms out to the sides and up overhead, stretching long through your fingertips. As you exhale, gently twist to your right, bringing your left hand to your right knee and your right hand behind you for support. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and exhale to deepen the twist, maybe gazing over your right shoulder. Stay here for a breath. On your next inhale, unwind and reach your arms back up to the center. Exhale and twist to the left. Right hand to your left knee, left hand behind you. Inhale, find length. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Feel that gentle wringing out of the spine. Inhale, come back to center. Arms high. Exhale, release your hands down by your sides. Wonderful. Let's make our way onto all fours, into a tabletop position. Stack your wrists directly under your shoulders, and your knees directly under your hips. Spread your fingers wide, pressing into the mat. We'll move through a few rounds of cat-cow to warm up the spine. On your inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze, and arch your back. This is cow pose. On your exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest, and press the mat away. This is cat pose. Move with your own breath. Inhale for cow, arching and opening the heart. Exhale for cat, rounding and creating space between the shoulder blades. Take 3 more rounds at your own pace. Let this movement feel good in your body. After your last round, come back to a neutral tabletop position. Tuck your toes under, take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, lift your hips up and back to our first downward facing dog. Your body might feel a little tight here, and that's perfectly okay. Start to pedal out your feet, bending one knee and then the other. Shake your head. Yes. Shake it no. Release any tension in your neck. Press firmly into your hands, sending your hips high toward the sky. Your heels don't need to touch the ground. Just find a position that feels like a good, lengthening stretch for the back of your body. Take a deep breath in, and a long breath out. From your downward facing dog on your next inhale, lift your right leg high behind you. 3-legged dog. As you exhale, step your right foot forward between your hands into a low lunge. You can lower your back knee to the mat for support. Untuck your back toes. Check that your front knee is stacked over your ankle. On an inhale, sweep your arms up overhead. Anjaneyasana, or low lunge. Feel the stretch in your left hip flexor. Relax your shoulders down away from your ears. Keep your core engaged to support your lower back. Breathe here. Feel the strength and the openness in this posture. On your next exhale, release your hands back down to frame your front foot. Tuck your back toes, lift your back knee, and step back to downward facing dog. Take a moment to reset. Notice the difference between the right and left sides of your body. Let's even it out. Inhale, lift your left leg high. Three-legged dog. Exhale, step your left foot forward between your hands. Lower your back knee. Untuck your toes. On your inhale, rise up, sweeping your arms to the sky. Low lunge on the second side. Settle in. Find your balance. Send your breath to any areas that are speaking to you. Soften your face, your jaw. Exhale. Release your hands back to the mat. Tuck your back toes, lift your knee, and step it back to downward facing dog. Take one full breath here. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. From downward dog, gently walk your feet forward to meet your hands at the top of your mat. Come into a forward fold, ragdoll pose. Keep your feet hip-width apart and a generous bend in your knees. Let your head hang heavy. You can grab opposite elbows and gently sway from side to side. This is a wonderful release for the lower back and hamstrings. Let gravity do the work. Release your elbows. On your next inhale, slowly, one vertebra at a time, roll all the way up to standing. Your head is the very last thing to lift. As you arrive, roll your shoulders up, back and down. Welcome to Tadasana, mountain pose. Stand tall, feet grounded, crown of the head reaching for the sky. From here, we'll move into our final relaxation. Gently make your way down onto your back. Lie down in a way that feels completely comfortable and supported. This is Savasana, our final resting pose. Let your feet fall open naturally. Your arms can rest by your sides, palms facing up as a gesture of receiving. Close your eyes. Let go of any control over your breath. Your body knows exactly what to do. Allow yourself to be fully supported by the ground beneath you. Feel the weight of your body sinking down, becoming heavy and relaxed. Release any lingering tension in your jaw, your forehead, your shoulders. Let your belly be soft. Allow your whole body to melt into a state of deep rest. There is nothing left to do. Nothing to figure out. Simply rest. You have done enough. You are enough. Allow these words to sink in. I will be quiet for the next few moments, allowing you to simply be. Rest in this space of stillness and peace. Begin to bring some gentle awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently rock your head from side to side. When you feel ready, take a deep, full body stretch. Reaching your arms overhead and pointing your toes, like you're waking up for the first time today. As you exhale, draw your knees into your chest and give yourself a gentle hug. Thank yourself for this time you've dedicated to your well-being. Slowly, roll onto your right side and pause for a moment in a fetal position, a posture of rebirth and new beginnings. Using the strength of your arms, gently press yourself back up to a comfortable seated position, bringing your hands together at your heart center. Let's close our practice with one final breath together. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. The light in me honors the light in you. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you carry this sense of peace with you throughout the rest of your day. Please consider subscribing for more guided practices. Thank you.